If you are interested to buy the material, below any video of my channel, below the video on the information field, you can find all my contact methods, my Facebook page address, and my email address. Just send me a message via Facebook page or send me an email for the detail will be okay. Okay, now let's get started for the tutorial. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my idea about how to decorating the table with our material, like this one piece paper tablecloth and a piece of the fabric, table skirt clip, our flower support wire, and some of our flowers. If you're interested to buy this material, please send me a message via my Facebook page. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, just put on our tablecloth will be okay. Very simple. Our tablecloth accept customize. Just tell me your table type, the size, dimension of your table will be okay. So just put on the okay, completed. You can arrange it, but I think it will be okay. Then the next step is sweat the fabric. Okay, just spread the fabric on the table. Okay, the next step is spread the fabric. Since I already take a tutorial to show you in very detail about how to sweat a fabric on the table. If you are interested to watch the tutorial, you can find the link from the information field below this video. Then, very simple, just put on the table skirt clip will be okay. Okay. Then this is the middle, and then the right side and the left side. The procedure are the same. You can see my old video for the tutorial in very detail. Okay, now completed sweat the fabric. Again, if you want to know the detail, want to see the detail about how to sweat the fabric on the table, you can check my old video. Okay, I will show you. Okay, if you want to watch the basics tutorial, below any of any video of my channel on the information field. You can find the basis video on the relative tutorial list. Okay, go on the tutorial. Then the last step is type this floral wreath on the table. About how to make the flower white with our flower white with our support white. Also, you can check the old video, find the link from the information field. Okay, we need to use a stripe to take the flower white. Just pull out the clip a little bit and then tie a stripe on it. And then take the flower white on the clip will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, so completed. Let's check the effect. Since my table is small, it's not an event table, just my working deck. So if this idea will be much more perfect when it used on a round table or cake table, or the large rectangle table, long table will be perfect also. Okay, so this is the rest of our wire. They are iron wire inside, just bend and hide it under the flower will be okay. Just one petal job. We cannot avoid that. Okay, I make some adjustment because I checked the inspiration picture. I found the sweat will be much more larger, so I rearrange the fabrics to make the sweat larger. So you can compare the effect and select the size you want, larger sweat or smaller sweat. And there are some details. Look at the threads. It actually separates, but I want them to stick together, so I add a clip in the middle, so the sweat will be stick together. The effect will be much more pretty. Okay, so you like this idea. It's not difficult, it's very simple. Hope you like it. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.